What's going on? We're back at the shop here. I got a drive shaft is in. So that's pretty freaking sweet. Once again, thanks a lot, Western Driveline. I'm gonna paint it right here. I'm gonna turn this puppy on. I'm gonna put her in gear and give her a little and then once we're done that, today we're gonna build an exhaust for the old unit, and then we might even be going for a drive today. I have to mess a little bit with the coilovers and the suspension because it's friggin' slammed right now. I can't even turn the extra 180 pounds really. I'm gonna have to get some better spring rates or something. But yeah, I gotta lift her up a little bit before we can go for a ride too. But yeah, I'm just gonna paint up this drive shaft and check these bad boys out. Stock BMW wheels. My buddy painted them up last night for me. Pearl, sparkly pearl white. She'll really pop in the sun. But yeah, I'm gonna cut right to it and just get right to work here. Oh yeah, baby! Woo! We're spinning! Oh yeah, beautiful. COVID Kobe. We're cutting up an exhaust. It's that time. And Emma's out over there just being pretty. She's all welded up. Look at that. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Just gonna let her cool down and we're gonna throw them in.
This one's pretty expensive.
Grab a sawhorse. Look at that. Beautiful. Get a little sort of downspout here. Flush with the bumper. Mm-hmm. Sweet.
Yeah. I'm not fixing any leaks if there is. I did, but I thought it was warm enough.
No. Not warm enough yet. Start it up again. Successful. Just gotta finish, gotta put some wheels on the car. We're gonna go for a little spin here soon. I just gotta finish cutting out the fender well because it's slammed now. But yeah, there she goes. We'll be driving soon. Woo. Oh yeah. We're going for a cruise. Who's coming? Someone's got to come. Woo! Dang it. This is pretty freaking crazy. I can't believe we're driving this thing right now.
This is first drive, first impressions.
First drive.
Things are happening. Things are moving. Taking for a little joyride through the neighborhood.
Holy! That's fucking crazy, boys! Shift's absolutely great. Everything
That's
looks
good. Temperatures are looking good.
Yeah, I might kick the fan on now. Holy fuck. That's scary, man. Wow. So many giggles. This is the best. Oh, there goes our fucking gauge cluster, boys. Ah, we'll fucking jam her back up in there. That's torque for you.
Lily flew right at us.
Good oil pressure, good fuel pressure. What do you think, Dom?
I like it. This is good.
Nice.
Really puts you in your seat.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
It's a lot quieter than I was expecting.
Yeah,
it's actually
like,
pretty good.
It's perfect sound. She still drives pretty straight too.
Oh man, it drives like a brand new car. You would never even know there's a motor in here like this.
BMW practice owner.
I think that might have been fuel, or that was probably a fuel cut. That wasn't rev limiter. Nice, running 178 degrees with the fan on.
That's fucking torque, man. Holy fuck.
Wow.
First impressions?
First impressions. I got
a smile on his face.
I got a half chub right now, maybe.
Al is stimulated.
I'm stimulated.